Alright, Jonathan Wallace here doing lab number 5, the titration for acetic acid in vinegar. And what we got here, I've got all my supplies. I got my graduated cylinder, my burette, bronze books to hold it up. I've got the vinegar, sodium hydroxide, and phenolphthalein, and a stir rod. So I think it's pretty much everything I need to be able to do this experiment. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take my vinegar and I'm going to measure out 5 milliliters of vinegar in here, and I'm going to pour it into my little container. Down here level with it so I know where I'm at. Just a little bit more. Alright, and we're there. I got my 5 milliliters. Set that out of the way for now. So I've got my vinegar in here now, and I am going to add 2 drops of phenolphthalein to it. Alright, so there's 2 drops of that. And next is I have my miniature burette here, and I'm going to fill it up to 10 milliliters so we can use it. First, I've got a little bit in here, so this, I'm not too worried about what was in here, so I just need to make sure the air bubbles are out of my burette really quickly. Okay, it's working good. There's no air pockets in it. That's my sodium hydroxide. And like I said, we're going to fill this up to about 10 milliliters. Just to give us a good initial volume. Make sure that's good. 10, yep. Alright, so I'll put my vinegar bottle underneath it. And what we're going to do is slowly drip my sodium hydroxide into my vinegar and keep it stirring. And eventually it's going to turn pink and stay pink. I mean, that's what we're going to look for, and then we'll measure it out and see exactly how much it was that it took to complete the titration. So here we go. Get the pipette burette situated correctly at a good speed. There we go. So you can see it turning a little bit pink, but as we stir it, it goes away. Okay, I'm going to kind of slow it down a little bit. So I think we're getting somewhat close. It's getting there. And I think that is it right there. So at this point, we'll make sure it stays pink. And it looks like it is. So here I'm going to look at how much is left. And I've got 2 milliliters left. So it took 8 milliliters of sodium hydroxide to fulfill the titration process.